Welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Friday, January 20th. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. If you haven't done so, go to our website, bluelinefutures.com, highlight over research, and sign up for a free 2-week trial of our research. You put in your basic contact information and then select the report that you'd like to receive. We write actionable research every single day covering all the various commodity markets. Now, looking at the most markets that you like gold and silver and everything else, really this party started here back in November. This was that last FOMC meeting where it looked like there was an end in sight for when the Fed is going to discontinue raising rates. So that's when the rally started. And then since then, we've seen a number of different factors that have helped accelerate gold futures higher. Now, you could see that yesterday we made a new contract high. That was when Treasury yields reached the recent lows. So is this a sign where we're going to begin to consolidate? I'm not sure here, but I do know that any weakness in any kind of coming close to this $1,900 level has been very defended as far as the support level, and prices have been moving higher. Now, if you look at an article that I wrote recently on Kitco, I wrote the pathway to 2000, and I really do cover those treasury yields, some of the factors that are keeping it much lower. I believe that now we're in that phase where we've got bad economic data, and what it's going to do is it's going to halt the Fed from really getting too far ahead of themselves on interest rates and on treasury yields. I think that they've all peaked. I cover the gold-silver ratio in this. I also cover the copper market and a few other things that I'm looking at, and I outline a couple different trading strategies and styles. Now, if you look at the silver market, really silver from about that last Fed meeting halfway through December right here, we haven't moved up too much. We've been in this consolidation zone. What I'm seeing is a lot of traders kind of buying these dips, selling these rips, and even taking short positions on the silver market. Now, I don't think that, shorting silver here, you do got to have a tight lid on it. You can't risk a new breakout to the upside, but I definitely think there's some money to be made in this consolidation zone. Now, copper, that's been really the best industrial metal. Is this another sign of consolidation? I'm not sure. We're going to have to wait and look at what the data is going to be doing into the next week. But you can see from here, we've had just a heck of a move higher in a breakout to the upside. I really think we could come back and start retesting some of these levels here, like the 475 and even the 450 level in the near-term future. Now, platinum, this has been a bit more dicey. I think it's because the automotive sector here, we've got an oversaturation now on used cars prices are coming down. Even new car prices are coming down. You look at Tesla, they've slashed that Model Y, the price a few times on it, and you're starting to see some of these dealerships are coming back in and they're close to that traditional sticker price, that MSRP price. Now, Bitcoin, that's one that I think has gotten ahead of itself as well. Bitcoin's been one of these markets in the heavy short basket. As those yields have come down, all your most shorted stocks, your Bed Bath & Beyond, your AMC, all those beam stocks, including some of these cryptocurrencies, have all turned higher. So if you do see the Fed come in, a little bit of tightening, or we get this economic down cycle, you're probably going to see these markets start to correct here. So not a lot there on the board as far as market action today. Silver up only about 8 cents, trading at $23.94, flirting both sides with the $24 range. Gold trying to push its way back up, but really it's a muted rise here. Platinum's been the one that likes to hold itself right around 1050. We've seen both sides of the action from 1060 on the upside, 1026 on the downside. Other outside markets here, crude oil getting a nice bid, U.S. equities getting that bid as well. Foreign currencies are mixed across the board, and the dollar index is up 5. Again, if you have any questions on futures option trading, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember that futures and option trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.